Guys, oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shopping videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today, we are going to be talking about magnetic eyelashes. Not the ones that have two lashes and you clamp them together and try to put them on your eyelash, because those don't work. At least they've never worked for me. I picked up these Ardell lashes from Target a few days ago. I just happened to see them and I thought that they were so cool. Apparently, the liner is magnetic and you put the liner on and the magnets on the lashes will stick to the liner. So I just picked these up the other day from Target and I thought they looked so cool. I heard about them briefly, but I never really looked into them, and there they were. I thought these would only be at like a Sephora or, you know, you have to order them online, but these were at Target and they were only around $16. So these are not like the magnetic lashes I think we're all used to hearing, where you would have two magnetic lashes and try to put them on top of your eyelashes, and it was a mess. I spent like $90 on a pair and never actually got to wear them because they looked terrible. So guys, I am not a beauty guru, but I think that is really important for this video because I have never in my life put on a set of fake lashes myself. I've never got the glue and taken eyelashes and put them on. I have tried and it has all ended terribly. It always messed up all my makeup and I end up ripping them off and starting over and not using them. So if these work, oh my god, these will be the best things that have ever been invented. I'm hoping so bad that these work the way I envision them working. So without further ado, let's get started. So I watched another YouTuber put on magnetic lashes and she said that the easiest way to do it is to put your regular eyeliner on first, because some of these can be a little funny formula. So I put on eyeliner, just regular eyeliner as I normally do, and just a tiny bit of mascara so that my eyelashes weren't white from my setting powder. This is how much you get with the liner, and it comes with a little brush, and then here are the lashes inside. I'll put like a little swatch on the back of my hand. Oh, that looks great. That is actually like really, really nice. So the directions say to apply 2 coats of the liner and to apply the lashes when the liner is still semi-wet and secure it down. And now for the moment of truth. Oh no, the sticky stuff is still stuck to my finger.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, guys, look at this. I have eyelashes on and they don't look bad. I could honestly cry. I have never been able to put eyelashes on my entire life. It looks so good and it is so natural looking, and I would actually wear this out. These are now officially on and I am so excited. Look at how nice these are. Oh my god. I can't even. And I love that these are reusable. How many times can you use these? You barely use any of the magnetic liner to put them on. They feel really sturdy, and I don't think that they're really gonna get messed up. So I'm so excited about this. Big, huge thumbs up on these. Best product of the century. These are from Target. I will link them below. I'll try to find, they're probably on Amazon too. I will leave links to these in the description below. Yes, so many yeses. Yes. So that is it for this very short video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am over the moon about these lashes. I cannot believe it. So excited. You have to try them out for yourself. Links to everything will be in the description below. And yeah. Keep staying safe.